Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will going to explain you about TP-Link AXE5400 RE813XE Wi-Fi 6E range extender setup using web browser. Let's start the process. To start the setup process using web browser, place your TP-Link RE813XE range extender next to your Wi-Fi router. Then power on both devices. After setup, you can connect your Wi-Fi enabled devices with your extender using wired or wireless connection. After powered on your devices, open a computer or mobile device. Check the Wi-Fi networking list on this device. Here you can find the TP-Link extender network. Connect with that network. If you are using this extender first time, then it will easily connect without any password. If you are using it to connect with another Wi-Fi router, then you need to type its password, which you used before. After connected with Wi-Fi network, you will redirected to admin password page. This will be working on phone setup. If you are using it on computer, then launch a web browser, enter tplinkrepeater.net. Then you will redirected to a admin password page. Here you need to create your Wi-Fi extender's login password. Type the same admin password for 2 times, and then click on the Start button. Now, you will redirected to the Wi-Fi extender's network name and password page. Here you need to select the 6 GHz network and create a password, then click Next. Then create a password for 5 GHz network and click Next. At last, you need to select the 2.4 GHz network and create a password. You can also change the Wi-Fi network name. In every network selection, you need to click on the Next button. Now, you need to confirm your host network password of 6 GHz, 5 GHz, and 2.4 GHz. Then click on the Confirm button. You can also set the TP-Link RE813XE network name and click Next. Now relocate your TP-Link RE813XE extender for optimal Wi-Fi coverage and performance. Then click Done. Recheck all the Wi-Fi network information and click Finish button. If you are facing any trouble to configure your TP-Link wireless range extender and need an assistance, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching.